Contestant number 3, Miss Tonga, Australia, Monica Vave, only 22 years old. Our third contestant, Miss Tonga, Australia. She says, my Kiekie is the art of mosikaka kafa weaving technique, which is no longer in practice in Tonga for a while now. The headpiece depicts the sun, a simple reminder that Tonga is where time begins. The Kiekie is mosikaka kafa weaving, a technique of a Tongan kupesi whakalala. Her Kiekie is made out of brown braided coconut fiber with black braided coconut fiber decorated with mini mosikaka, kafa, and fuekafa. To accessorize her puletaha and her Kiekie, she's carrying the actual kato moskaka kafa whakalala handbag. The Kiekie was designed by none other than Sione Maileseni of the House of Coco Gift Shop. Kataki, paspasi mai, aki finemui ko nung nafafunga ay Miss Tonga, Australia, Monica Vave, sa uoua, kohono Kiekie. Ifotunga e koeni o lalanga whakamoskaka, ai o fuoloa, pea haha molofia ai ne asi. Ko Kiekie koeni, na ngauhia e sione maileseni. From the strongholds of New Vakai, Miss Tonga, Australia, sorts the fires of the Nuafo'o volcanoes to rise like a phoenix and give hope to those in need. Miss Tonga, Australia's choice of Sarong signifies a journey like the Dreamtime story of her birthplace, the land of the Daruk Nation of southwest Sydney, to her motherland, heart of the volcano of Nuafo'o, to seek her strength from Mother Earth, like silver tested in the purest of fire. As we are tested in our own life's journey, we will also arise like the phoenix, dressed in the flames of that challenge, stronger, walking forward confidently, letting the seemingly tongues of the fire highlight the beauty of the brown complexion of the Polynesian voyager. Her color choice of orange symbolizes her youthfulness, the warmth of her heart and smile. Most importantly, her optimism for the future. A promise that God has a plan for our lives, and regardless of our current situation, He can work through it to prosper us and give us hope for the future, as stated in Jeremiah 29, verse 11. The tie of her sarong represents unity for our people to work together hand in hand with faith in our hearts to arise from the ashes of the events of the past and move forward together to build a better future for Tonga, our kingdom. Monica's sarong signifies beauty and strength for the journey ahead to be a phenomenal Polynesian woman of Tonga, a woman who is strong, diplomatic, compassionate, educated, and visionary. With these characteristics built on a solid foundation of unwavering faith in God, she will arise. Please put your hands together for Monica Vave.
Ka o mo matanga he hiwa he taimini.